Hello everyone. This video is for students in order to know how to submit an assignment or a quiz. Whenever you're looking into your account, you will see that for any subject, if you have any assignment or any quizzes, it will appear on the within the subject itself. For example, in this subject, I have assignments that need attention. I have quizzes that are due to be done. So in order to do the assignment, I will click on that subject to get to the assignment and do my assignment and submit it to the teacher. So clicking on that, okay, I'll just switch my role into a student so that I can be able to see the assignment and do it as a student. So whenever you log into the subject, you will see that you have an assignment. In order to do the assignment, you have to click on the assignment icon here, as you can see. So clicking on it, you will see that you have assignment number 1, and what is the required from you as a student. This text, the text below, to be translated into Kurdish language. Which text? This one. This is a text which is regarded to translation subject. It seems that in College of Languages English department that they have a translation subject, and then they practice translation from Kurdish to English and English to Kurdish like that. So this is your assignment, and below that you have some other information. Submission status. So submission, still no submissions been attempted. Grading status is an assignment with no grades. When this assignment will be closed? On Saturday, 2nd May 2020, 11:55 p.m. How much time is still remaining? 1 day and 6 hours. In each assignment, when you click on the assignment, to do the assignment, you will have all this information. For every assignment, there are different statuses, of course, different due date, different submission status. So you have to click on the assignment and to see what is the status of that assignment. When is the due date? When it's going to open? How much time do you have? So these are all the other things that you will know when you attempt or when you open the assignment. So in order to do the assignment, you have to click on Add Submission. And if you want to write any comment for the teacher, of course, you can type it down here. And then also to do the assignment, you will click on Add Submission. When you click on it, it seems that this assignment is you have to write the translation online. It's an online text. When you click on that, you have a window to write down the translation like this. To the end. This is how you're going to translate the text or do the assignment. Assignments could be in different texts, not only translation. It could be any other files or any other subject. This is a translation text to be translated into Kurdish. So you have an online text, you translate it, and then when you are done with the translation, you go down there and then save changes. This doesn't mean you have submitted. To submit your assignment, you will click on the Save Changes, and then you go back to the first window, like this. You see, now I have a draft, still not graded, and this is my draft. This is my online text to be sent to the teacher. You can also see the text here. You click on the plus button, and then you get to see your assignment that you have done and to be submitted. If you want to go back to your assignment, you can click on Edit Submission. And this is all possible before 2nd May 2020. And if I'm done, if I want to submit my assignment, it is important that to know to the time you don't click on the Submit Assignment and then click on the statement, this assignment is not sent to the teacher. So it's important to click on the Submit Assignment like this. And then you get the window. This assignment is my work, except where I have acknowledged the use of the work of other people. So I click on it. And then I say continue. If you press continue, then the assignment is done. No changing is possible, no editing is possible, and the assignment will be sent to the teacher. So clicking on that, we will wait, and then we go back to the first window. What is the submission status? Submitted for grading. This is how you submit an assignment.